I've been speaking for 12 years.
A meeting planner doesn't care.
I won a speech contest.
A meeting planner doesn't care.
I saved money and built my own website.
A meeting planner doesn't care.
I am so passionate about my topic.
A meeting planner doesn't care.
But I climbed Mount Everest.
A meeting planner doesn't care.
I love speaking.
Well, la-di-da. A meeting planner doesn't care.
I was a CEO.
Good for you. A meeting planner doesn't care. No matter how much you want to get booked to speak, wanting doesn't work. Getting paid isn't something you wish for, it's something you work for. Give meeting planners what they want. So what can you do? Stage time business mastery. Get a Ford 6 hot seat and do the work others won't. Stop wishing, start working. Better habits, better business. Ford 6 hot seats are proven to be over 90% effective, but then you must do the work. Warning, there may be some it's not for the faint of heart. It's a business. An increased risk of laughter and head shaking may occur. The most common side effects are pain, redness, and business growth at the feedback injection site. Joy and euphoria may also occur. There is an increased chance of upset stomach due to the opportunities you realize you have missed by not doing this sooner.
I created my own one sheet. Oh, one note. Is it one note?
No, one sheet.
Oh, shoot.
No, we're going to do it
Okay.
next time.